take pictures with it too?
Oh, you doing some real surveillance now.
Hey. Hey. I'm putting you on the news, pal. You don't even know it. You are totally going on the news. Look at him. Looks like he's trying to ride motocross. What the hell, man? Why don't you get the hell out of here? Hey. Get the hell out of here, bud. Hey. Hey. I'm putting you on the news, my man. Looking over here. Oh, he don't want to look now. Okay. You don't want to get on the news, I understand. Hey, I'm putting you on the news, my man. I saw that. I'm putting you straight on the news. And there ain't nothing you can do about it. I'm putting you on the news. Hey, my man. I'm putting you on the news. You came back to work late. I'm putting you on the news and there ain't nothing you can do about it. Hey. Hey, I'm putting you on the news, my man. That drink's not yours. I'm putting you on the news. I'm putting you on WRAL and there ain't nothing you can do about it. Nope. And ABC 11. I'm putting you on the news.
5 on your side, baby.
5 on your side. Hey, buddy, I'm putting you on the news. Yeah, you better drive. Oh, shit. Oh, okay, you better drive away. I'm putting you on the news. I'm going to get me a settlement. I'm putting you on the news, my man, and there ain't nothing you can do about it. I'm putting you straight on WRAL.
Perfect.
What are you going to do about it, man?
Live streaming to WRL?
You can't do nothing.
Yeah.